This is the WRAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Edson Newman, president of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, has expressed concern over the new Highway 2000 toll rates, which will take effect on Saturday, July 9. Newman said that these increases threaten to run taxi and other public transport operators out of business, and further expressed fear that in addition to the impending increases, there may also be another next year. Motorists who traverse the Portmore Toll Plaza in St. Catherine will see an increase ranging from $50 to $150 depending on the class of vehicle, while those who use the Spanish Town toll will see increases ranging from $30 to $90. Veneer Toll Plaza increases will range from an additional $50 to $290 based on the vehicle's class, while the Maypen Toll will attract an additional fee of $40 for Class 1, $50 for Class 2, and $70 for Class 3. Chief Justice Brian Sykes has tested positive for COVID-19. In a statement on Wednesday, the Court Administration Division said Sykes is experiencing mild symptoms and is under the care of his doctors. It added that he will remain in isolation for 7 days, following which it is hoped that he will resume work at the Supreme Court. A Kingston man is now a multimillionaire after hitting the $10 million jackpot with his $1,000 Super Rich Supreme Scratchers ticket. P. Williams, who has been consistently purchasing Supreme Scratchers tickets since its launch earlier this year, said he was in shock when his ticket turned out to have the grand prize. Customers currently have a selection of 11 different instant win scratch games ranging from $100 to $1,000 per card and have the chance to win up to $10 million instantly. In regional news, the United States Coast Guard says it offloaded an estimated 551 pounds of cocaine with a street value of approximately $5.2 million, which was seized in the Caribbean island. It said 3 men, including 2 nationals from the Dominican Republic, had been apprehended and are facing U.S. federal prosecution in Puerto Rico. The U.S. Coast Guard said those arrested will face criminal charges including conspiracy to possess with intent to distribute a controlled substance aboard a vessel subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. The charges carry a minimum sentence of 10 years imprisonment and a maximum sentence of imprisonment for life, the U.S. Coast Guard said. The Eastern Caribbean Alliance for Diversity and Equality has welcomed a ruling by the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court, ECSC, that Antigua's anti-burglary law is unconstitutional. The ECSC Tuesday ruled that sections of the Sexual Offences Act contravene the constitutional rights of citizens. The ruling came after an openly homosexual man and the Women Against Rape group in Antigua argued that it offended their constitutional rights. This has been the WRAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.